Every day, recruiters receive hundreds of resumes. Reviewing them manually is slow, repetitive, and difficult to scale. MagicalAPI, Resume Parser transforms unstructured resumes into clean, structured data automatically. Simply upload a resume in PDF or docx format and let the AI analyze every important detail. Names, contact details, work experience, education, skills, certifications, languages, and much more are automatically organized into structured fields. Instead of dealing with unstructured documents, you receive clean JSON that's ready to be used by your application. Or connect it to your existing workflow using our no-code integrations without writing additional code. MagicalAPI Resume Parser, built for modern recruitment.
www.magicalapi.com